of the day where we get to Nimesh, who's here to tell us what he's picking up on D Street Chatter. And when Nimesh is at the conference, I believe, so he'll get an even better insight. Nimesh, fill us in.
Hi, Rajal. Under pressure today, largely led by the large caps. And within the large caps is the financials, which is dragging the markets down. And within financials, I guess, there is large pressure on the NBFC stocks today. Looks like the commentaries from the financial companies in various conferences hasn't gone down so well with the investor community. That seems to be the reason why the financials are under pressure today. While looking at the market, it may sound like there is an aggressive selling from the FIs, but contrary to that, the feedback that I'm picking up is that maybe there is a small MOC basket buying in the last 30 minutes in some select names. So that's something to track. So the institutional data could be quite interesting today. Again, it's a day of broader markets to relatively outperform. So while the index is down 0.5%, the mid-cap index, a lot of individual names are buzzing in trade today and are actually up in trade. So again, a day when the broader market stocks and mid-caps have relatively outperformed. Technically, the sense is that 24,350 is a crucial support level on the Nifty to watch out for. If that gets taken out, you will see further selling pressure. But again, this Friday, you'll have a liquidity event in terms of FTSE rebalancing and the Sensex rebalancing. That will have an impact on some individual names. But broadly, looks like today's fall is largely led by large caps, and within that is the financials which are dragging the markets down.
All right. Nimesh, in terms of individual stocks, what's on your list today?
Well, Prashant, as I said, a lot of individual stocks in the broader markets are buzzing in trade. The first stock on my list is BF Utilities. We normally don't talk too much about the stock, but that's been buzzing off late. The volumes are on the higher side. In fact, I understand a very influential HNI investor has been aggressively buying in the last couple of weeks and months. So he's built up a large position in BF Utilities in the last couple of months is my sense. So that's the first name. The second stock is the DCX System. Again, Y2D the stock has done nothing. In fact, it's been negative year to date, but today the stock is buzzing in trade, up 10%. The volumes have picked up. I understand there are very strong buy flows as well. And in DCX System, the buzz is that maybe there could be a very large block deal in that particular stock very soon. So that's something to track there. The third name is Yatharth Hospital. Y2D the stock has done well. It's been buzzing off late as well. And looks like the company is very close to raising funds via QIP. So something to track in Yatharth Hospital. And the last name is Swiggy. Since listing, that stock has relatively outperformed the QSR space. Again, aggressive flows from larger FIs, you would understand. Yesterday also there was big move and a large volumes. And I understand a leading long-only FI has been an aggressive buyer in Swiggy of late, and hence you've seen a big up move in the last couple of days.
All right, Nimesh, thank you very much for that. So lots of interest in that quick commerce space, and Swiggy, of course, a big beneficiary since listing. Thank you again, Nimesh, with all that detail. Well, as I said, the primary market is